And action. Okay, cut.
Jazz hands.
Six meters of aluminium tube track. Yes! Yes! So I've spent the last 2 days building and tinkering and cutting and drilling. Now I get to have a bit of fun. Oh. Can't seem to find the car keys. This happens every day.
Literally.
Every day. Car keys. Car keys, car keys. Hello, Coco! Hello! So we've got to put all of this into there. It's all done. That's how quick it is. Today is the day that we get to shoot the first scene in the advert.
To the line. We should have had you guys run the outshirt. The outshirt ripped. 6 packs and everything. Yeah. Okay, dudes, thank you so much. This has been very, very cool. I hope you guys had fun making this video with us. Okay, and there's one last thing. That's a wrap. Now that means that's the end. Very good. Yeah, we did it. Come on. Cool. Did it. That's a